Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. We are halfway done with our makeup right now because I'm going to be reviewing, swatching, and testing a new concealer from NYX. It's the Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer. Mwah. Here it is. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. They're almost all here. I have my shade picked out right here. And unfortunately, before we get into this video, I have to let you guys know that I was missing shade 22. I looked for it everywhere. I don't know if it fell out of the package or just wasn't in the package to begin with. It's a very sad thing. I'm still going to review and swatch all of these concealers for you. I'm actually going to use these concealers to contour as well, which I don't normally do, but I figured, let's give it a shot. I did use the concealer already on my brows and I have liked it so far. So I'm gonna use it on my actual face and with my face makeup so you guys can see it in play. And yeah, so first we're gonna jump right into it. I'm going to swatch the concealers for you guys and then I'm going to put it in my makeup or on my face. Does that make sense? I think it makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense. If you would like to see the swatches of all of the shades, then just keep on watching. And if you want to just see the little mini tutorial of how I use the concealer, then skip ahead. So the first shade that we have here is 1 Pale. Then we have 1.5 Fair, 2 Alabaster. Then we have 4 Light Ivory. Then we have one of the shades that I use, which is 6 Vanilla. Then I also use 7, which is called Natural. Then right here we have 7.5 Soft Beige. Then we move over to 8 True Beige. Then number 9, Medium Olive. 10.3 is called Neutral Buff. Number 11 is Beige. 12.7 Neutral Tan. Then we move on to the other half. This is 13 Golden. Then we have number 14 Golden Honey. Number 15, Caramel. The one that I used for my contour is 15.7, Warm Caramel. Then we have 15.9, Warm Honey. Next to that, we have 16, Mahogany, 17, Cappuccino, 19, Mocha, 22, Deep, which is the shade that I thought I lost, but I found it. It was hidden in the PR box. Then we have 22.3, Walnut, 22.7 Deep Walnut, and the final shade of the entire collection, which is 24 Deep Espresso. What do you guys think of the colors? What do you guys think of the shades? I personally think that there is a solid amount of medium tones in this line. I think that it is lacking in some darker shades and also some much lighter shades, especially because this is a concealer. I know it's like a contour concealer, but I feel like concealers are always better off when they're lighter. I mean, I always go like 2 or 3 shades lighter with my concealer, so I feel like they could definitely expand, and it looks like they may expand because there's spaces in between the shades. I think they might just want to see how it does. So I guess we will see, but I'm really happy. I mean, the color that I use matches me super, super well. What are you guys' thoughts on this collection? So the shade that I chose for my concealer is number 6 in Vanilla. I could go a step up to number 7. Hold on. Maybe I will. Yep, I'm gonna. I do like the wand. This definitely feels like a matte concealer. I'm gonna use a little bit of number 6. Just like right here. And the sponge that I'm using is dry. I don't know, I've just really liked dry sponges lately. So it blended like really, really, really nice. I'm very happy with the way that that just blended. Just adding a little more because this sponge is soaking it up. For contour, I'm going to be using the number 15.7. This is Warm Caramel. Alright guys, so that is the concealer. Let me zoom you in so you can really see what it looks like. I'm really liking it. I am really liking it, and I am so picky with concealer, honestly. I don't know if I love it as like a contour. I kind of had to make it work a little bit and really like it wasn't too easy to blend and diffuse it as a contour, but you know, I made it work, so it is possible to kind of use it like that. But I'm definitely really, really liking it underneath my eyes. While we're here, I'm gonna put powder on top of it so you can see the difference between no powder and powder. So this is with powder on top. Still looks super, super smooth. Not as bright, but definitely smooth. Okay, I like it. Like a lot. I like it a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish all of my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like and show you what the concealer looks like with everything all finished. Hello, hello. Hi. Okay, zooming you guys in to see this concealer up close and personal. First of all, it's actually holding my shadow on super, super well. Don't mind this lash, it's like totally coming off. It got like a little bit dry underneath my eyes, more so like right up here, but it still looks pretty good. Like, it looks good. I am really, really, really happy with the way that this concealer looks. Even like as like the contour too, smoothing it out, though it was a little bit difficult, it still does look really good. I'm really happy with it. So I am genuinely happy with the way that this concealer looks, and I'm very happy to say that because, you guys, this concealer, the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer from NYX, contour concealers they call it, it is $8.50. That is it, and it comes in 24 shades. And I mean, I'm happy with it. So I definitely give this concealer a thumbs up. I want to know what you guys think about this concealer. Did you try it as a contour like shade? Did you try it as just a concealer? Did you try it underneath your eyes as like a highlighter? I want to know what works best for you. Give me your thoughts. Do you like it blended out with a beauty blender, with your finger, with a brush? Let me know all in the comments below. And that's all I have for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching and tuning into my review on the new brand spanking new NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. 100% thumbs up in my book. Definitely give it a shot, especially for only $8, $9. I think it's definitely worth it. Don't forget your Ulta coupons if you're going to Ulta. As always, guys, make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen, and check out all of my other reviews, foundation reviews, skincare tutorials, makeup tutorials right here on the side. I love you guys to the moon and back, and I'll see you soon. Bye!